In this tutorial, we will learn how to add sermons to your Facebook page. So I'm on the dashboard section of your website, which normally looks like this. I'm going to go down to sermons and I'm going to add new. This Sunday or past Sunday was Trinity 10. I always encourage you to add a date, if just a year. That way you won't have a bunch of Trinity 10s in your cataloging. You have a sermon text and theme. I just copied it and pasted it from your Facebook page, so I'm going to use that. So it's from the book of Matthew, so this is another way that these can be cataloged. I'm going to come down here and say Matthew. We are in the Trinity season, so I'm going to go down here to Trinity season, and you were the speaker, so I'm going to hit that as well. Now we are going to go and get the embedding code. I am on your YouTube page. I'm going to go down to share. We're going to embed this onto the page, and I'm going to copy this. If you only want your sermon, you'll have to scroll through and get to the sermon point, and let's say it was at 20 minutes and 34 seconds, then you type that in, and that's exactly where the video will start. If you want the whole video, then we don't put anything on there, and you just come down to copy. Either way, you're going to copy it, but if you need to add the start date, you can. Or start time, excuse me. And now I'm going to close that out. I'm going to go back up here to the add sermon part, and where it says video, I'm going to paste that code in there. If you are going to add your sermon, the typed up portion of your sermon, go ahead and check this. And I'm going to check it now just so we can see what that looks like on the front page. And that's all you need to do. We're going to hit publish. And we're going to preview the changes, preview what we just did. Here it lists everything out right here. And let's go to the website. To go actually to the web page, I'm going to go back where I was editing. We're going to go to where it says Ascension. We're going to hit visit site, and we're going to scroll down to where the sermons are. Now, if you look here, this is the one that we just added for Trinity 10. And I already see a mistake, so that's good, so you can know how to do this. This one just shows the camera. This one shows a little text icon and the camera, meaning that this one has the written portion of the sermon. Not a big deal, but it just lets you know that. And if you can see, when I hover over that, it says read online, and the other one says watch video. So that would take you right there. So I need to edit what we just did, and here's one way of doing that. We clicked on the sermon and we go up to the top if you're signed in, and we hit edit sermon. And what I noticed is the date is wrong. So we're going to come over here, and the date for last Sunday was, I need to go to my calendar, it was the 13th. And I'm going to change this over here to the 13th. So you can backdate stuff, you can schedule things. And now all I'm going to do is update. And now your sermon's ready.